I want to touch on the word pioneer. It brings forth so much. There's history, there's imagery, symbolism that comes forth, right? People that are first, people that have a spirit. There's even a romanticism to it. Hard, something that you have to do that's really hard. I love that metaphor. I love the word pioneer as a vehicle or as a vessel to carry forth that imagery. I know you're based in Texas, and but originally came from Argentina and also lived in Mexico. So you have lived that pioneer journey, not just as a cancer survivor, which is no small thing, and winning your daytime Emmys, and you've been a pioneer, bilingual, a keynote speaker in so many ways. But in Texas, where you're based now, the pioneer spirit is very prevalent, and it can become an ethos, that sense, that mission statement, if you will. Track me here, because I'm going to bring us somewhere, and I want your opinion
No
on
problem.
this. Pioneers ultimately settle. They came in this country, on this continent, in North America. They went east to west, and ultimately, we have California, Oklahoma, Colorado, Texas, etc. So where can you connect that bridge where pioneers ultimately settle, metaphorically, not like they're complacent settling, but they establish themselves, but still maintain that spirit? How do you what do you have to say about that?
Well, first of all, let me tell you, everybody's moving to Texas. So we are having an in Dallas as well. We are having
in
an
Austin as well. A lot of tech entrepreneurs are moving to the Austin area as well,
a lot. So I think we are living in an interesting time here, and what you can see is what's happening in so many different global cities and cities around the world, and it's that we are all interconnecting with each other, and we're all kind of learning what the other one is bringing to the table. And in the case of Texas, where we have so much Hispanic population, it's not like Florida, where you really it's the mainstream culture, but still you can see the influence of Hispanics all around, and I think we're all collaborating with one another in terms of what we're bringing to the table.
Yeah, it's a place where cultures collide for the benefit of everybody, and not just Latino and the rest of the population, but whether it's agriculture, the culture of agriculture colliding with technology, where organizations, companies are pioneering in Texas. I mean, you have Texas Instruments, which was in the semiconductor industry in the 70s, and then there's the energy industry, and all those different ingredients are colliding for the benefit of everybody else.